Hello children of DAV Moil Public School, Sita Savangi. This is Aarti Agrari, your teacher, welcomes you all on e-learning class. Standard 5th, subject science, and our topic is importance of water part 2. Children, in previous class we have learnt water is important for plants, birds, animal and human being, and importance of water for animal. All animals drink water. This helps them in digestion of food, and the nutrient present of food get dissolved in water. This helps their bodies to absorb the nutrients. And so many water animal are called aquatic animals. Okay children, today we are going to learn importance of water for plants. Plants require various nutrients for their proper growth. These nutrients get dissolved in water present in the soil. Plants absorb water from the soil with the help of their roots. This absorbed water transports the nutrients of various parts of the plant. Plants also need water for preparing their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Plants require water for germination of seed. See children, this is picture of photosynthesis. Plants make their food in presence of sunlight. Plants takes carbon dioxide from environment and takes water from soil and make their food in form of sugar. So children, you have seen photosynthesis is impossible without water. Water is a habitat for many plants. We call such plant as aquatic plants. See, this is picture of hydrilla. Hydrilla is aquatic plant. Water hyacinth, it is also aquatic plant. Lotus, water lettuce, and what is this? This is water lettuce. We also use water lettuce as a decorative plant. Duckweed. Do you know children? Kamal kakdi. What is Kamal kakdi? Kamal kakdi is stem of lotus plant. Water availability in nature. You know very well 90% of earth is covered with water. In previous class you have also learned that about 3/4 of the surface of earth is covered with water. However, only a very small percent of it is practically used by humans in their daily life. Now we will discuss about groundwater. About 97% of water is present in seas and ocean. The remaining 3% water is present in rivers, ponds, lakes, streams and glaciers. A small part of water from Earth's surface seeps into the ground and gets trapped between underground rocks. It is called underground water. Do you know children why underground water gets trapped between underground rocks? Due to soil and due to roots of plant. Earlier people used to fetch water for their daily need from river, lakes or wells. Even now in many areas where there is no system of supplying water through pipes, people depend on natural sources of water like river or pond. See this picture. Dear children, many peoples of our country are suffering from lacking of water. So save water and don't waste water. Now I am giving assignment to you. you will write a short notes on importance of water for plant and also a short notes on how can you save water. Thank you. Bye.